Hello everyone, welcome to Blow the Know. We just started a new year and many of our friends or people we know have already plans for their 2020. Maybe they already have a business and are taking it to the next level, or maybe they are trying to start their own business. Unfortunately, many others are feeling stuck. They don't like their job or they don't even have a job. So this is really tough to deal with. If you are one of those, or if you just want to make some extra money or start your own business in 2020, this is for you. In today's video, I will show you two types of business that you can start from wherever you are. The most important thing is that you don't need any investment for that. And let me tell you something. The age is just a number. It's never too late or too soon to start your own business. But hey, you have to be patient, work and have some faith, and I can guarantee you that at the end of the year you will thank me. I know that this intro has been kind of long, but I want you to understand that it's really important to have patience with anything you do, starting from watching a video of 5-10 minutes like this one. So, before we start, if you are interested in this kind of videos, don't forget to subscribe to our channel because I will be posting many other videos at least as interesting as this one. So let's get started. The first thing that you can do is start a YouTube channel. If you didn't know, which I hope you knew, we, the YouTube creators, are paid for each view that we have. Cool, right? If you don't know what to talk about, just think of one of your passions or hobbies or something that you are good at. And what if you have no idea what to say? Well, it's time to start learning. So, learn something because the internet is full of interesting things that you can learn pretty fast and then post it to your YouTube channel. Okay, you may say that it's pretty difficult, and how much money can you get from it? Well, I can't tell you exactly, but we can make an estimation. Let's say that for 1000 views for one video, you get $10. If you reach 100,000, with only one video, you can make $1,000. If you have 10 videos or 100 videos, just think of it. If you find this information interesting and if you want to learn more about how to create your first YouTube channel, how to make your videos and how to edit them and post them, just leave a comment down below and I will come back with a video about it. Now, the second option would be affiliate marketing. I'm sure that you have heard about it before, or some programs that give you a percentage from a sale that you make from your affiliate link. Well, that's something pretty easy to do and you can start right now with zero investment. If you think that no one would buy through your link or that your link is difficult to find by other people, well, it's pretty easy. Remember when I've told you to think about one of your hobbies, a passion or something that you are good at and start your YouTube channel? Well, you start your YouTube channel and then you promote your affiliate links on every video that you post. Maybe you are into fitness, maybe you started a weight loss program, you already have a business, or you are into handmade things or education and so on. You start your YouTube channel, post your affiliate links, and in this way you will get paid for YouTube views and from the affiliate program. If it seems difficult, let me give you a quick example. Let's say that you are into fitness and you have already created your YouTube channel where you talk about exercising, having a healthy lifestyle, and so on. And a quick tip before we proceed. This niche is extremely strong, especially at the beginning of the year. So let's see where you can find the perfect and the best affiliate links. You create an account on this platform called ClickBank. ClickBank is the biggest affiliate program for digital market in the world. You will find here almost everything you want, from marketing to traveling, so you will be able to choose anything you want. And if you didn't know, ClickBank pays you the highest commission per sale. Now let's get back where you create a ClickBank account. So you do that, then you have to go here to the marketplace and choose the favorite niche from the left side. As we have been talking about fitness, you can see here thousands of programs that pay you up to $300 for sale. When you have decided which one is for you, click on promote and this will generate you the affiliate link that you will be able to use in your YouTube videos. Let's see an example. As you see, the link we generated is pretty long and it doesn't look very nice. People might get scared of clicking on it, so I will show you how to shorten it to bit.ly and paste our long and ugly ugly link and get a short and nice one. Of course, there are many other ways to shorten a link, but this will be just fine for the start. So get your shortened link and place it through your YouTube description on YouTube. To attract more sales and more clicks for the product that you have chosen, what I recommend you to do is to talk about it in your YouTube videos and present it in your videos, showing the main benefits and why people should buy it. Don't forget to mention that you have a link in your description and make sure that it's easy to find, so don't put it at the end of the description, and if you do so, just mention it in your YouTube video. If you want to take this even more seriously, what you can do is to buy that product and present it in your videos. And trust me, it will be much easier to learn new things about it and to understand how it works, and you will be amazed how many sales you can get. Of course, this was just an example. Another thing that you can do and use YouTube channel and affiliate links is to review the products that you buy and use for yourself, and that's all. Why not reviewing them and search for the affiliate links and put them in your description? You can also grow your Instagram and Facebook account by posting short videos, and at the same point you can even be contacted by big companies that want you to review their product, and guess what? You will get paid and also you will receive the product for free. But this is another story. We will be talking about social media and other platforms that can bring you money in another video. Well, I just give you an idea, so it's up to you if you make it work or not. The most important thing is to be patient and keep working. If you think that this video is helpful, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to stay updated about new interesting business ideas, just subscribe to our channel and turn on the notifications. Please leave a comment down below if there's something else that you want to understand about this kind of business. And today's gift for you is a list with the top 5 trending ideas for your next YouTube channel. Check the description down below and start making money today. Bye!